Before installing your Nest Doorbell wired second generation, first verify your existing doorbell system meets the power requirements of 16 to 24 volts AC with at least 10 volt amperes. Safety is critical. Turn off the power to your doorbell system at the circuit breaker or fuse box before beginning any electrical work. Remove your existing doorbell by unscrewing it from the wall. Carefully disconnect the wires, noting which wire connects to which terminal for reference. The chime connector is essential for proper operation. Remove your chime cover. Take a photo of the existing wiring for reference. Then connect the chime connector wires to the chime terminals. Install the mounting bracket by feeding the doorbell wires through the center hole. Use the provided wedge for angled mounting if needed for better viewing angles. Connect the power wires to the wire connectors on the back of the Nest doorbell. The wire order doesn't matter. Simply connect each wire to a connector and ensure they're secure. Attach the doorbell to the mounting bracket by aligning the circles on the doorbell with the mounting holes. Push down firmly and tighten the security screw at the top using the provided hex key. First, download the Google Home app from your device's app store. This is the only app that works with the Nest Doorbell second generation. The older Nest app is not compatible. Open the Google Home app and tap the plus sign in the upper left corner. Select Set up a device to begin adding your doorbell. Choose your home location, then select Doorbell from the device list. Next, select Nest Doorbell Wired second generation as your specific model. Now scan the QR code located on the back of your doorbell or on the quick start guide that came in the box. This connects the app to your specific device. Follow the app's step-by-step instructions to connect your doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password ready and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Once the app setup is complete, go back to your electrical panel and restore power to the doorbell circuit by flipping the breaker switch back on. Finally, test your doorbell to ensure everything is working correctly. Press the doorbell button and check that you receive notifications on your phone and that the chime sounds properly. Remember, your Nest Doorbell second generation is now fully set up and can only be managed through the Google Home app. The older Nest app will not work with this device.